We've looked at computing volumes, quick volumes of a stockpile if they were done with traditional methods. Let's take a look at what if the data came from a drone. So what I've done is in Magnet Office, I've imported the drone data. I'm going to flip this to a 2D, 3D view. And I'll make a few adjustments to what's being displayed just so we can see more clearly. Okay, so there is my stockpile. That's what I want to get a volume for. So one of the things I can do is throw a boundary around, making sure I'm set to snap to the point cloud. I can throw a boundary around the cloud. Oops, that one's not what I want, so I'm going to go back. We need to stay in tighter. And then I'll tell it to close. Okay, so there's the boundary around. Once the boundary is drawn, I can use the tools inside of the point cloud command to get us down to bare earth. So now I've stripped out all of the equipment. Again, just to show that, we've stripped out the equipment and now we're down to just the bare earth. What I would then do is go ahead and create a DTM or create points from the point cloud. Okay, so I would take the point cloud that I want. I would decimate this down. Okay, in this case it says we could decimate to about 58% reduction, or I can do the slider here and get this down to the level that I want. Tell it to create points. So that what I'm left with are points, the boundary that I drew, and I have my point cloud turned off. My step then would be to go to Surface, do a quick volume, taking the active data, the boundary that I drew. I'm not going to use a DTM because I don't have one at this point, and I'm not going to save any of the data that's created. I simply want the volume report. I'll click OK. I'll accept the settings for the volume and then review my report. So in this particular case, I have about 1,873 cubic yards of material in that stockpile. Just like before, that report can be saved to a file or printed to my printer. For more content like this, please visit my TopCon now and search through the other content that's available for Magnet users today.